everybody. Today is August 16th and we are having a beautiful day today. I just got out to the garden. It's a little late on the day. I wasn't feeling so great earlier. But I wanted to check out these peppers. I'm just itching to pick one of these purple ones and bring it in. And there are a few that are pretty big, so I don't know. I might just pick one today. There's two especially. There's that one and then there's this one here. It's pretty big. Maybe I'll pull it out here a little bit. See, look at how big that thing is. Wonder if I try pulling on it if it'll come off. Oh, it doesn't want to come off. Okay, maybe I'll leave it a little longer. Tons of jalapenos on these here. Nice, so nice. Every one of these has a lot on it already. I still have to get these tomato plants lifted up. For these plants all starting so badly, I can't believe the stems on these things. Look at that. These aren't even the thriving ones. So these aren't even as big as those other ones, but it just amazes me how healthy these all look. And then I can't believe these peppers, how healthy they are. I left them in the greenhouse a long time. I know they say to leave them in the greenhouse a long time because you got to make sure your ground is warm enough for them. So I don't know if that's why they're doing so great, because I did leave them in so long. It's a lot of green peppers. That's so fun. Just so exciting. I just can't wait for these purple ones. I'm actually just really surprised at how many there are. Look at this one. It's like a great big regular sized pepper that you get at the store. But these are, I think, the red ones. So I'm gonna wait a little longer and hopefully they turn red on the plant. Hopefully they don't pull a tomato on me. Stay green. Thought that was a caterpillar. Almost scared me, but it's not. Oh, look at that. It's a tomato turning colors. Yes. These are the large cherry tomatoes. Looks like, oh, wait. Looks like that one might turn soon. Oh, that's exciting. That is good news. Oh, there's another one. Yes. So exciting. That's really, really good news for me. And these, look at all the red cherry tomatoes. I gotta pick all those yet tonight. That is a lot in there. I definitely will have enough for salsa this weekend. That'll be fun. Now if we could just get these Roma tomatoes to start changing. They look like they might. Some are looking kind of that weird yellowy color. So maybe they'll just all of a sudden all change colors. Oh, and then this Campbell's one. Ooh, that one's definitely starting. Let's see. There's a couple more here. Ooh, yeah, that one definitely. It's got a little tinge of orange to it now. More cherry tomatoes that are nice and red. Oh, and then let's check these out. Oh, that one's really turning orange in there. I know it's really hard to see, but I think on the side, like the whole side is all brown on that one. So I think I'm going to be talking about tomatoes now for the next couple of weeks till these things actually start changing colors. So there's that one. And then this one, I'm a little surprised it's more orange than yellow at the moment. But we'll see what happens. It really should turn yellow. It is very orange though. You just don't know how badly I want to pick that one. But I'm gonna leave it a little longer. Zucchinis, I don't know what happened to zucchinis. I'm not, oh, well, there's a couple here that weren't here the other day. This one, I see a couple babies. And there is a really bright orange one here. See that thing? It won't grow. It's been that same size for weeks now. Ugh, I hate squash bugs. I'm gonna pull it off. So I don't know why it's doing that. Okay. This one has things growing in it, like little stemmy things coming up, but maybe there were flowers on there and they were just never pollinated. So they don't look good. The plants don't look good. I think that these zucchinis are kind of giving up for the year. But look at this one. This is a nice one that I don't think was here a day or two ago. Ugh. Let's see. Okay, there's all, see them? Look at that. Look at that. They're all over it. Yuck. I don't even want to take it out of there. Here's another one. This one has some other bug on top. Let's see if we can get, there's a couple big ones on there. Okay, we'll just leave that one. Here's a nice little zucchini. Let's see if this one is bug-free. All right, this one, but it's so little. It's a little gooey. I'm gonna try it though. All right. Little is tender, right? I think so. I'll just pick it little there. I don't know if that's why these guys aren't doing good this year, because I've picked them all pretty little. So I don't know if that does something, because look at how little these all are. I mean, there's like one in there that's not pollinated. There's a little skinny one. This one looks good if there's no bugs on it. I don't know what it is with these squash bugs. I just don't like them. Okay. I'm trying not to break them. These all are breaking at the stems this year also. I mean, that one's pretty big. It should be picked. Yeah, I might pick that one too. All right. See, none of them are getting very big. They're all just staying real small here. That one, there's not even any. And then this one, there's a giant one growing right in the center. And I tried getting it out yesterday and I couldn't. I don't even know what to do with that one. This poor little thing. It's trying. Look at that. It's trying so hard. And thankfully we have these other ones down at this end. Uh-oh, my rows are getting a little tight here. Look at the onions. They're getting nice too. That's exciting. Okay. And I like these marigolds here. All right, so these are the new zucchini plants. And they are big zucchinis. Look at that. But not only are they like big, they're like hefty. Look at that. I'm gonna pick it. See, it's like super fat. Pick that goo off the end there. Okay. Yeah, they're like real short, fat little zucchinis. But very hefty. Let's pull this hefty one out. Ouch. Ooh, prickly stems. All right, we'll pull this one out. So far, I've only seen ants over here. Okay. Sorry for my weird video here. Okay. So, see, look at those two compared to that other one. And I think there's one more here. It's big enough to pick. some of these I might leave to get really big. There's some people who would like them for like zucchini bread and stuff. Yeah, I think I'll leave that one. I'll leave that other one over there. Okay, so now I just filled up my tomato basket with zucchinis. Might have to put these in the car. All right, it's getting pretty dark here, so I need to hurry and finish up. I've not had time to really do anything about this side of the garden lately. Cabbages, still not forming heads. Broccoli needs to be cut soon, it's getting big. And I still have all that curly kale. That is a lot of curly kale. Some of these are looking like they're starting to get eaten again. And I see lots of cucumbers on here. All right, I think I really need to just cut all these leaves away. Wow, are they bad? And I didn't pick beans. Just one day and look at everything here. This is great, actually. There's a lot of beans on here, a lot of bugs, a lot of beans. All right, well, I think I should go for now and do a little bit more picking. It's getting dark pretty fast out today. Look at, there's like a whole handful of beans here. Look at that. Wow. Wow, look at this. It's because I didn't pick anything yesterday. I guess I just need to do every other day maybe. And maybe it would seem like a lot more. Alright, there's got to be a lot of purple beans too. Haven't checked those in a couple days. Let's see what I got on this side yet. Wow, there's so many beans. Holy schmolies. And they're big. Look at that. Starting to hear the crickets out here at night. It's so nice. It's a nice sound. Oh my gosh, there's a whole bunch under here. I'm gonna have a whole basket of beans. I could set my stand up outside in front one of these days, I guess. Look at that, a whole nother handful. Wow, this is nice. I've already froze a lot of beans too. Just a couple more down here. I don't think this little basket I brought out here is going to be big enough for today. I think I might have my fun little garden apron in the car. I think I'm going to need it today. Alright, well, ooh, it's so windy today. Feels stormy, but it doesn't look like it's going to be stormy. I think they're saying rain in the morning, but that's it. But it is really windy. All right, well, thank you for watching. Hope your garden's doing great. Hope your tomatoes are turning red. If you can, please hit the subscribe button and keep watching through the rest of the season. We're almost there. I can't believe we're halfway through August already. It's good to see stuff is finally starting to grow halfway through August. It's so crazy. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a great night. Bye.